Located in Nanwan Peninsula, 14 kilometers from Lingshui town, Hainan province, Nanwan Monkey Island is the only tropical island nature reserve for macaque in China and the world, so people call it Monkey Island. Nanwan Monkey Island is beautiful and charming. There are clean and entrancing beaches so typical of Hainan, with colourful coral reefs. Monkey Island is surrounded by the sea on 3 sides and has a vast expanse of blue waves. The rocks on the island are craggy, like an anchor thrown into the vast South China Sea. It has a mild climate and abundant rainfall, and coconut, lychee, pineapple, carambola and other fruit trees are everywhere. The plants here are evergreen, and flowers and fruits can be found here all year round, providing a typical tropical scenery. It is not only suitable for the growth and reproduction of macaque, but also can provide a plentiful supply of food for the monkeys. The monkeys on the island have been domesticated, and visitors can take pictures of them or have their pictures taken with them. The best time to watch monkeys is when the keeper feeds them. At the sound of a whistle, trees and grass all over the mountain begin to shake. You can see macaques skipping and swinging between trees. In a blink of an eye, they gather together to fight for food and make a lot of noise. Over the years, the authorities have taken a series of protective measures for the monkeys in Nanwan Monkey Island, so the monkeys can have a worry-free life in this natural biosphere. Nanwan Monkey Island has really become a paradise for macaque.